Good day, viewers. Welcome to our Facebook page or to our YouTube channel, wherever you're watching us from. So, generally, I want to look at how best we can help GCE students, those who are writing the exams this year. Okay, that is in July, so to say, and those who are going to write in November. Okay, we're encouraging you that keep on following this page. You'll be learning with us. More content will be uploaded on this page and on this channel. Okay, so you have to understand that when it's time for you to write your exams, basically mathematics, 2 papers will be given to you. Okay, you write mathematics paper 1 and mathematics paper 2. Okay, and you have to know that in mathematics paper 1 there are just 23 questions, okay, of which you are supposed to answer without using the calculator. Then when it comes to mathematics paper 2, the paper consists of 2 sections, section A and section B. For section A, you have to answer everything. Then for section B, you have to choose some of the questions and you answer them. Mind you, in mathematics paper 2, you are required to use the calculator. So it's very important that you have basic knowledge of how the paper is brought in an exam. Okay, so here with me, we are going to revise on mathematics for 2021 paper 1. Okay, that was brought for external candidates, that is the GCE. Okay, so you can see on the board I've got 3 questions. Question 1, simplify 2y minus 3 in brackets we have x minus 4 minus y. This question normally will carry 2 marks. Okay, question 2, evaluate negative 3 squared plus 3 squared. Also this one will carry 2 marks. Lastly, we have the third question there where they are asking you to solve the equation. Okay, in brackets we have 2x minus 5, another bracket x plus 3 equal to what? 0. So let's see how best we can answer these questions. All right, so let's now get started. So starting with question 1. Okay, and this question 1 they are saying simplify. Okay, so remember, you'll be working out these questions alone. Okay, so it's very important that you show every step of your calculation, because on the instructions for mathematics paper 1 there they say omission of essential working will result in loss of marks. So it's very important that you show your working. Okay, because in an exam, when examiners are marking, they follow 2 sets of marking. Okay, they award 2 marks in different ways. 1, there is what they call method mark. 2, there is what they call answer mark or final mark. So the method mark there, you'll be given a mark depending on the way you are answering, okay, the steps. So let's see how best we can simplify this. So I'm going to write the question 2y minus 3 in brackets we have x minus 4 close bracket minus 2. Okay, so the very first thing that we can do, look at the question that we are presented with. Okay, and the question is saying simplify, just to make this expression very simple. Okay, so here you can see you have brackets, and whenever you have brackets, you have to work out what is in the brackets first. Okay, you have to work out what is in the brackets first. So in this case, we can't just work out x minus 4. Okay, there is a number which is outside here, which is a negative 3. So it means this number has to multiply the terms that are inside the brackets. That is our first step. Okay, in a case where there were no brackets, we just have to correct the right terms. Now in this case we have got brackets, so we write this 2y negative 3 times x, you are going to get negative 3x. Okay, then you will say negative times negative, you are going to get a positive. 3 times 4, you get what? 12, like that, minus y. Okay, so from here you can see we have opened the brackets, okay, by multiplying this negative 3 with all the terms inside. So what is next now? Look at the like terms. Okay, when I say the like terms, in this case we have got 2 variables or 2 letters, x and y. So look at the terms that are having y letters and look at the terms that are having x letters. Okay, in this case we have got 2y. The like term of 2y will be this, okay, negative y. So I'll just move it the way it is, okay? Minus y. And then we say minus 3x plus 12, like that, okay? So here, 2y minus y, you are going to get a y minus 3x plus 12. So this is now your final answer. You have simplified this expression and you'll be given 2 marks just by working out this. So now go to question 2. Okay, viewers, I hope you are following me. Okay, I hope you are following me. So I've come to question 2. Okay, and on question 2, the question is saying evaluate negative 3 raised to the power of 2. Okay, evaluate negative 3 raised to the power of 2 plus 3 raised to the power of what? 2. So this question will carry what? 2 marks. Okay, this question will carry 2 marks. Okay, so now how can you answer this question? So first thing, you write the question, negative 3 squared plus 3 squared. Okay, so here when they say negative 3 squared, okay, what we all understand that it's 3 times what? 3. Okay, so for this negative, because this negative 3 is not in brackets, so I'm not going to say negative 3 times negative 3. No, it's not in brackets. Okay, so you say negative outside, then you say 3 times 3. Okay, square. This is what it means. Okay, so now just say 3 times 3 squared the way it is, plus then this 3 squared also means 3 times 3. Okay, so 3 times 3, you're going to get a 9. Okay, then there's a negative 9 there, plus 3 times 3, you get a what? A 9. So negative 9 plus 9, what are we going to get? A 0. Okay, so this is how best we can answer this question. So you have to understand something here. If you have something like negative 3 in brackets, then it's squared, definitely this will give you a positive 9 because you say negative 3 times negative 3. But if you have negative 3 squared, this will give you negative 9. Okay, we have to understand this principle here. So this is how best we can answer this question and be given 2 marks, just like that. Okay, so note that if a number is squared, if it's having a power of 2, it means that number is being multiplied by itself 2 times. Okay, so if you have, for instance, 4 squared, this doesn't mean 4 times 4, like some of you say 4 times 2. Sorry, no, this is wrong. Okay, it means the base 4 is being multiplied by itself according to the power. Okay, according to the number of times the power is. So 4 to the power 2, it means 4 times 4, which will give you 16. So you have to understand these principles. Don't forget to comment. Okay, if at all you have a question, don't forget to comment. So I have answered question 2. Now we'll go to question 3. All right, so I do hope you are following nicely. We have now come to question 3. Okay, and question 3 is saying solve the equation. In brackets you have 2x minus 5. Another bracket you have x plus 3 equal to 0. This is carrying 2 marks. Okay, so how can you solve this equation? You're going to write first the question, which is 2x minus 5 equals again x plus 3 equals, then you get equal to 0 there. Okay, so how can we answer this? This question is very simple. The way you can answer it, you just equate. Okay, the first bracket you equate to 0, or the second bracket you also equate to what? 0. Okay, so I've said the first bracket 2x minus 5 is equal to 0, or x plus 3 is equal to 0. Here I know that we understand that if you have brackets, we open the brackets. Okay, yes, but in this case, if you open the brackets, you are going to get a quadratic equation, quadratic equation, when you factorize it, okay, it's going to lead you to the same stage here. Okay, or others can prefer they get the quadratic equation, then they solve it quadratically. Okay, now that is the long process. Okay, so just equate this to this, then the second bracket you also equate it to that. Okay, so here for the first one, you have to do what? To correct the like terms. Okay, so in this case you are going to have 2x equal to 5, meaning the 5 has come this side, or here the 3 will go that side. You are going to have x equal to negative what? 3. Okay, so I want to find the value of x. I want to find the value of x. It means that this side are going to divide with 2. The coefficient of x is what? 2. A coefficient is a number that is to the variable, so the coefficient of x is 2. That's why we are dividing with 2, so that we only remain with x. So these 2 and these 2 will cancel. X is equal to 5 over 2, or x is equal to negative 3, the one that you got to that side. So this is our answer. You have gotten it 2 marks. Okay, so don't forget to comment, to share the page, or to hit the subscription button so that you subscribe.